Hi all, I welcome you all back to the channel of BeePracticed, and today we will be looking at one more AWS Solution Architect Associate practice question and explanations. So it states, a media company has an application that tracks user clicks on its websites and performs analytics to provide near real-time recommendations. The application has a heel of Amazon EC2 instances that receive data from the websites and send the data to an Amazon RDS DB instance. Another fleet of EC2 instances hosts the portion of the application that is continuously checking changes in the database and executing SQL queries to provide recommendations. Management has requested a redesign to decouple the infrastructure. The solution must ensure that data analysts are writing SQL to analyze the data only, and there should be no loss of data during the deployment. What should a solutions architect recommend in this particular scenario? So let's check the hints first. First hint is tracks user clicks on its websites and performs analytics to provide near real-time recommendations. And second hint is the solution must ensure that data analysts are writing SQL to analyze the data only and no data can be lost during the deployment, right? So when we talk about this, the most important thing is that the solution must decouple infrastructure that will be enabling data analysts solely to utilize SQL for their respective analysis and ensure that there will be no data loss during deployment. So if we have to choose the right option, we have four options over here, but let's first discuss about each of them. So if you see option A, that is okay, using Amazon Kinesis data streams to capture the data from the websites, Kinesis data analytics to query the data, and Kinesis data firehose to persist the data on Amazon S3. So option A actually it leverages managed AWS services for streaming data processing and analytics. It may offer the same level of flexibility, scalability, and cost effectiveness. Now, option B, use Amazon Simple Notification Service, that is Amazon SNS, to receive data from the websites and proxy the messages to AWS Lambda functions that execute the queries and persist the data. Change Amazon RDS to Amazon Aurora serverless to persist the data. And if you see option C also over here, use Amazon Simple Queue Services, Amazon SQS to capture the data from the websites, keep the fleet of EC2 instances, and change to a bigger instance type in the auto scaling group configuration. So if you see that both B and C, there is no provision to handle the real-time data, right? And that is why they should be kept off, right? So option first, second, and third, we are not going to choose. And option D, that is use Amazon Kinesis data streams to capture the data from the websites, Kinesis data firehose to process the data on Amazon S3 and Amazon Tina to query the data. Now, if we look at this option, so this solution effectively decouples the infrastructure, ensures data persistence, and enables data analysts to focus solely on analyzing the data using SQL queries. and it also is in sync with the best practices for handling stream data and provides scalability and flexibility for future growth. That is why option D is the correct answer. And if you want to check for some more hints, you can always take a look at this keynote. So I hope you guys have liked the content. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel, Be Practiced. I wish you all a very happy learning. Thank you for listening.